Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Wet n Wild Beauty eyeshadow palette. So let's directly get started with it. So this is how you will receive the palette when you order it. Talking about the pricing, this palette retails for 500 rupees. Talking about how many shades are available in this palette, there are 10 shades which are available in this palette, out of which 2 are shimmer shades and the remaining 8 shades are matte shades. Talking about how much quantity of product you get in this palette, each pan has about 1 gram of product, so in total you get 10 grams of product. Talking about the shades which are available in it, these are more earthy neutral tones which are available, so you can easily wear it for an everyday sort of a makeup look, or people who really like nude eye looks and all of that, and who don't really like doing too much to their eyes. This is the perfect palette for you. Talking about who can use this, definitely if you're a beginner makeup artist, this is really good honestly, and you can have a good amount of practice using this palette, so that is really good for that. And if you're an advanced makeup artist, you will know how to get the maximum use out of this palette. Let me be very honest to you. Talking about the pigmentation of these eyeshadows are decently pigmented. They are not very heavily pigmented. However, you will have to build it up, then the color shows really beautifully. If you just apply one shade or like one coat or something like that, then it will not show as much. Only out of this entire palette, only this one shade right here, which is this berry shade, I had the maximum problem working with it. Like, it would just shed off, so you have to technically stamp the color and you don't have to blend it too much. If you blend it too much, then it's gone. It just literally feels like you've not applied anything. And only this berry shade right here has the maximum fallout. Other shades, I feel they don't really have too much fallout as such as compared to this one. So this is, I feel, only the toughest color in the entire palette. Overall, this is a really good palette, and also because of the compact size, you can even have it in your everyday purse or something like that. And maybe if you have an evening party plan or something, you can just create some really nice eye look with it and go for it. So overall, this is a really good palette, worth the money, worth the price. Even the pigmentation is really good, so you can definitely have maximum use out of this palette. Talking about how many eye looks can you create with this palette, you can create easily about 5 to 10 various eye looks depending on what your mood is or how you feel like and all of that. You can definitely create a lot of looks with this. So in my suggestion, I will definitely say that this is a good palette. You should definitely invest your money into, only except for this one shade, and this is, I guess, the third time I'm mentioning it, but this is the only difficult shade to work with. So yeah, if in case you're interested in purchasing this palette, obviously you can't because of the lockdown, but if in case in the future, I have kept a link in the description box down below, so don't worry about that. And yeah, this was my entire review. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you made it till the end, thank you so much for making it till the end. It really means a lot to me. And also, using this palette, I'm going to be creating 3 looks in the next video, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.